Hi children, how are you all? Hope all are doing good and safe. Say hi to Bunny children. What is this? This is Bunny. Say bye bye. Bye bye children. Bye bye. Come on. Now let us start our day with prayer. Come on, join your hands, feet together, close your eyes. Om. पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते हरिः ओम् हरिः ओम् हरिः ओम्. Now slowly open your eyes. Dear parents, namaste. Many kids struggle in the area of handwriting for various reasons. I am doing some fun warm-up exercises which can help them to prepare for handwriting. These exercises may help your child to develop strength and improve coordination of the hand muscles. So try to make them do these handwriting strengthening exercises to help your child. Thank you. Children, shall we do some fun warm-up exercises for strengthening hands? Come on children. Stand straight. Put hands like this. 1. Now we should pull the hands back, okay? 2. Like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. Shall we do one more time? Come on, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. One more exercise. This is a new one. See properly. Put hands like this, all of you, and bend down. Okay? See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. One more time. Stop. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, next, change. We start our rhymes with ABCD song. Okay children, come. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know all ABC. Next time won't you sing with me? Next, I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, and so are you. I hear thunder, I hear thunder. Oh, don't don't you? Oh, don't you? Pitter patter raindrops, pitter patter raindrops. I'm wet through, and so are you. We will sing one Hindi rhyme, children. बादल गरजता बादल गरजता सुनते हो पानी गिरा टप टप पानी गिरा टप टप भीग गए हम भीग गए तुम भीग गए सब. One more time. Ready children, come on. बादल गरजता सुनते हो पानी गिरा टप टप पानी गिरा टप टप भीग गए हम भीग गए तुम भीग गए सब. Children, shall we sing one Telugu rhyme for change? Okay children. వానా వానా మా కోసం వానా వస్తే సంతోషం చినుకు పడితే చిందేస్తాం ఉరుము వస్తే ఉరికిస్తాం. Shall we sing one more time? వానా వానా మా కోసం వానా వస్తే సంతోషం చినుకు పడితే చిందేస్తాం ఉరుము వస్తే ఉరికేస్తాం. లా 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 లా. Children, you all know this rhyme. You will enjoy also this rhyme. Okay, children? Come on. Rain, rain, come again. Rain, rain, come again. Rain, rain, come today. All children wants to play. Rain, rain, come again. Can we sing one more time? Ready? Come on. Rain, rain, come again. Rain, rain, come again. Rain, rain, come today. All children wants to play.